Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you that how to fix this error message NVM is not recognized as an internal or external command. NVM guys is nothing but is a node version manager. If you want to manage multiple versions of Node.js on a single device, then this software comes into the picture. And if you have installed NVM but if you can't access it using the terminal, if you are getting this error message, then obviously first of all you do need to install NVM. So if you just type here NVM download on Windows, the very first link which comes right here, this is actually the website where you can actually download the exe file. So I already downloaded the exe file from here. You just click the download button and it will redirect you to the releases page. This is the exe file right here. So for fixing this error message, by default NVM is stored in the C drive, and just search for the folder users. So whatever is your username, which in my case is Asus, and then search for the folder app data. So just go to this folder and then go to the roaming folder. This is actually the folder roaming, and after that just search for the folder right here NVM. So this is actually the folder right here where NVM is stored, and if you try to open terminal right here, just type the same command NVM. You will see the command will perfectly work. It will list out the different kinds of Node.js versions I am currently using in this system. So if you want to use it globally without having to open this location and type terminal right here, just copy this entire location, right click copy, and then open your environment variable, and then simply go to environment variable and go to the system variable and edit and add a new entry, paste this location. So just paste this entire location and just click OK, and now just restart the terminal and just type the same command. So you will see the command will perfectly work. So in this easy way, you can just follow the step-by-step instruction. Just add the location to your environment path variable and you will able to fix this problem. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.